guys, Dreams here. Guess what's new? We have a face camera and I do not want that. And I say, guess what's new? We have a face camera! Oh yeah, we definitely do have a face camera. Definitely. Let me zoom through this real. Okay guys, I'm back to level 18. I know that these levels are like pretty hard in Plants vs. Zombies. I know this. Definitely. Why? Oh, are you kidding me? Why? Let me see how much I have. Oh, nice. I'm just gonna make mine to like right there. And actually, yeah, let's do it there. Let's get these. Yeah. Let's rock this puppy out. Let's rock this puppy out. Hope this thing will work. Hope this will work. Come on. I hope this works. I hope this thing works. Come on, come on, come on. I'm gonna zoom through this a little bit. Okay guys, I'm back again from that pause that we have to do a lot. And this is going very well. Another sandstorm when I just started. Are you kidding me? Come on, kill him! I'll be back. Guess what, guys? They both are dead when I just got back. Let me see what's going on. Okay. Let me get these out of here. Look at that. So yeah. You can see why. I have one of these because these things are awesome. A floating camera. In a minute of this show, if I lose, I'll show you how to do it, and then that will probably be the end. If you're playing on a Kindle. Zoom through this thing. Oh, great! Oh, good thing I have that. I'm like half through already. This is really very difficult. Yeah, that's why, guys. I'm not there no more. you know what's up, but now I am back after I made it back. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I really do. Please leave a like. I mean, not right now. Do not do it right now. Like, later. This to get off the screen. Ah! Sorry guys, I'll probably have to get rid of it. Yeah. Let me see if I can give it. Nope. Come on! You know what, guys? I'll just tell you now. I'll tell you how to get it. Very. No.
Yeah.
So guys, this is pretty much how
What are you
much I have in
playing?
the first episode. Oh yeah, I forgot.
What do you want to
I
play?
have a little bit of time to tell you how to get that floating camera. First, you go to Play Store.
Play Store?
Then you type.
Then you type. What's the Play Store?
You type floating camera, and then you have it right here. This is what you just get in.
The side of the
See you guys. Good.